Now we're going to move on to our next letter, but I think it's a little rainy. So it looks like I need a bird umbrella. Just kidding. Actually, I mixed that up and I really need an umbrella bird. So our next letter is going to be U for umbrella bird. And when you say the you can feel your stomach. So we're going to go whenever we come to the short U sound, for umbrella bird. And this is an actually real type of bird, the umbrella bird, an actual bird. And they have their own little umbrella on their head. It's not an actual umbrella, but the way their head is, it kind of shields them from rain. That's why they're called the umbrella bird.